hairstyle DIYs. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do some really cool hairstyles for short hair. Now, let's get into it. So, the first hairstyle I'm going to teach you how to do is my signature go-to hairstyle for every day. It's actually this one that I have in my hair right now. So first, we're going to want to brush out your hair. And then you're going to want to take your fingertips and put them at the base of your ear and draw a diagonal line upwards until you reach the top of your head. Now you're going to want to take your brush and just brush it back. Take either a hair tie or scrunchie and just tie it up. I'm going to be using a scrunchie because I think it just adds a little extra something. Now I'm just going to take a little spray bottle filled with water and spray it in my hair. Taking your fine-tooth comb, you're just going to brush everything back. You're going to go over it with this nice little brush that makes sure there are no flyaways. For the next hairstyle, you're going to want to start by brushing out your hair again. It's going to be a really simple low ponytail. You're going to want to part your hair in the middle and then bring your hair into a low ponytail. Tie it back with a scrunchie or hair tie. And then you're going to want to pull out two pieces from the front. Again, using your spray bottle, you're just going to quickly spritz your hair, brush it out, go over it with this fun little flyaway brush, and then retie your hair so that it's nice and smooth. Here's your completed look. Again, brush out your hair for this next hairstyle. We're going to be doing some really cute little pigtails. You're going to grab a little piece that's from like eye level and you're just going to pull it all the way back across your scalp and then pick it up and brush it. This is like a little half up, half down pigtail updo. Now with this hairstyle, you can also make it into space buns. For this, I'm going to make some messy-ish buns using some bobby pins. I'm going to be using these U-shaped bobby pins that I bought on Amazon. I'm just going to gently tease my hair, twist a little bit, and then pin and just go around doing that. Here's my finished look. I think it's a little bit interesting and definitely more abstract than my other hairstyles have been. But maybe I'll wear it out sometime. So this next hairstyle, I will say, is a little bit more complicated than the previous ones have been, and maybe not as practical for everyday use, but it looks really cool when it's done. And fair warning, I am not great at Dutch braids. Don't expect them to look amazing. And if you want to know how to do Dutch braids, don't come here. Go watch some other video by some amazing hairstylists who actually knows what they're doing. I'm just showing you what the hairstyle is. It probably won't be helpful, but I'm trying. What I did was I drew a line from right above my eyebrow to the back of my head, and then I put the upper half in a loose bun and the bottom half in a pigtail along with the whole other side, just to make everything easy and very clear. Oh, they're okay from far away, just don't look too close. If you squint really well, it'll look cyan. I will say this side definitely turned out better than this side because, fair warning, this is the first time I've done most of these hairstyles. Shh, don't tell. As you can see, the part is just more defined. So when we get these close-up shots, we're going to make sure to only look at this side and not this side. For this next hairstyle, it's really important to have a super straight part, so I'm just going to be using the end metal rod of this super cool fine-tooth comb that I got at Ulta. And I'm just going to draw a line all the way down the back. And then I'm just going to tie both sides into pigtails. Again, Dutch braids, but this time we're going to do it into a pigtail. So again, not going to explain what I'm doing because it's just going to make you more confused than you already were. One side complete. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're probably like, Adele, why are you making a hair tutorial video? It looks like a hot mess. And I'm like, wow, thank you so much. I agree. Okay, now your magical friend is bobby pins. You know, like, oh wow, that looks awful. Bobby pins. Oh wow, there's a weird bumpy here. Bobby pins. You know? For all these hairstyles, you should probably be using like gel or hairspray, but since I have to do like 5 of them and I'm also just gonna go and eat dinner and like take a nap afterwards, there's not really a point, and I don't want to shower tonight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little bobby pins and just pin back any places where it's a little bit loose, or there's some poofies or some weird hair sticking up wherever they are, you know? Here is my final hairstyle. Again, it looks good from far away, not so much from up close, right? Sorry, I'm super tired. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. See you next week. Bye, guys. Mwah.